Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Sign in with the licensed Microsoft account and confirm your product key or active Microsoft 365 subscription. Once done, make sure your PC has internet access, correct date and time, and the latest Windows updates so activation can reach Microsoft servers. Next, run any Office app as administrator and open the activation wizard. This begins the secure handoff to Microsoft. Follow on-screen prompts to proceed. Do not skip the sign-in step, because now you continue the process by selecting whether to sign in with your Microsoft account or enter your product key. If you sign in, expect multi-factor authentication prompts and approve them. This confirms ownership. If using a key, type it exactly, including dashes, because a single wrong character will fail validation. The wizard will contact activation servers. Make sure you do not close the app while it communicates. If it pauses, wait, as retries usually succeed. Record any error code shown for troubleshooting later. Finish by confirming the activated status under account, then restart an Office app to ensure features are enabled. If activation fails, note the exact error code. This guides the fix. Next, run online repair from programs and features or settings. This reinstalls activation components while preserving files. If that does not resolve it, sign out and sign back in, then attempt activation again. Finally, contact Microsoft support with your account and error code if problems persist. They can reset your entitlement from their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.